How many times have you finished a client project and just never posted about it? Today, I'm going to show you how you can make an Instagram portfolio template that you can reuse so you can finally stop procrastinating sharing your work. Okay, let's get started over in Adobe Express. The first thing you need to do is create an Instagram portrait template. The first image is going to be your cover image. Then we're going to add a page for the brief, another page for the sketches, the first draft, final art, a video recap slide, and finally your outro page. On the first one, we want to have a hero image showcasing the final result. In my Fabiola Lara brand, in my graphics, I actually have photos of this project, so I'm going to go ahead and use these. So I'm going to go to text, add a title, and I'm going to make sure that I'm using my brand fonts. So you just want to create a title that you like. This page is going to be all for the brief, so set your brand colors. Just for fun, I'm going to add this screenshot of the email headline. I'm going to also add what the request from the client was. Now, to work smarter, I'm going to go ahead and copy this title so I can paste it across this post so that everything stays consistent. And now we show the actual process. So actually the sketches I sent over to the client in an Adobe Express PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and find those sketches. And now I'm just going to go ahead and crop it so that I just have the sketches. And I'm going to drop in some information about these sketches. Moving on to the final artwork. Again, I actually created the artwork for this client using Adobe Express, so I can grab those files and bring them in as images to show what the final art ended up looking like. And there we go, and I just keep bringing those in. If you drag it, you'll be able to stay in that folder as opposed to clicking on it. I'm gonna grab all of those and bring them to be the same size and lay them out until we have something like this. And I'll do the same for the final artwork for the bucket hat. So in this one, I'm actually going to share a mock-up that I made for the client. I created one of these mock-ups in Photoshop, so of course I can pull that right into Adobe Express from here because it's in my files. I'm going to drag that over. And another one I just created, and here's the image, but I want to remove the background so it matches the other one. So quickly I just hit remove background. And with a little adjustments, I got it to look like this. I'm also going to add a page because I want to showcase a video that I made about this project. So I'm just going to hit duplicate, delete all of this info. I'm going to go ahead and add that media element. So upload from device, have this video that I created about this project. So I'm going to round the corners of this video because that's the style that I like to use. And I'm also going to add a border. I add a border by going to add content, elements, find a square, drop it right into here and kind of align it with this video that I have. Drop the border thickness to 4 and round the corners to 20 to match. And of course, remove the middle fill. I want to change the color just to make it a little more exciting. I want to add a bit of a title, so this is kind of what I came up with. This is one of my favorite features about Express is that I can create a mixed media carousel. And I always have my brand library that I can reference to make sure I am using my correct brand colors and correct brand elements so that I stay consistent. For my final page, we have our outro. So I have a photo here from my graphics in my brand that I want to use. So I'll drag that in. I want to use a similar title treatment for my outro, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this one. I'm going to hit Command C and Command V here to paste it. And I'm going to say something like, let's work together. From my brand, I also have another photo. I'm going to drag that over. And I'm just going to crop this image, make sure I create this border for this image. All right, so let's take a look at this portfolio post that I made. First, I have the hero slide. Then I go into the brief. From there, I have the early sketches, the final art with a little bit about the process, a mock-up, a video recap, and then my final outro image where I have, again, a photo of the product, which in this case was a custom basketball and custom bucket hat for the Philadelphia 76ers. Now that I created this post, it doesn't have to be just for this project. That's the whole point. I'm going to go to my stuff and I'll see that there's this project here. Click the 3 dots and hit convert to template. From there, you'll see that I get this option, convert to template. I like to click keep a copy of this file so that my original file stays a file, and then I additionally convert it to a template. I'm going to name this IG portfolio post, and I'm going to write a note. convert to template. And it's right in here. I'm gonna go ahead and move this because I always wanna stay organized in Express, and I'm just gonna move it in here. And now when I go to Files, Social Content Demo, Instagram, that template lives in there, so I can always reference it for my next portfolio post. I hope this inspires you to go out there and post your last client project. All right, guys, I can't wait to see your posts. Bye.